Hello! This is a take 2 of this. Okay, it's that time of the week again. Sunday, we're gonna do some meal planning. And this week is a little bit of a weird week because we have lots of different things kind of going on this week, and our work schedules are a little all over the place this week. So, I do not have any piece of paper. I did not sit down and work this out beforehand, so we're doing this on the fly. I know today we are having my pen, roasted chicken with new potatoes. I might film it because I think I'm going to do like a version of like shake and bake potatoes. Like, you guys couldn't see that I was doing this, like shake and bake potatoes. And veggies. I always write veggies because I never know what I'm gonna do because we have lots of frozen vegetables. I actually have no canned vegetables. Well, I have squash, but I'm the only one that eats it. And we have some stuff in the fridge. Okay, but anyway, so that's today, that's Sunday. Monday, I'm not planning it because I'm not going to be here. My husband's going to be the one cooking, so I told him he's going to be planning Monday. Now, I'm going to skip Tuesday for a second. We're going to go to Wednesday. Wednesday, just my husband and I work. I have physio when I'm done work at 4:20, which means I'm not going to be home until closer to 5 p.m. And by the time I'm done my day, I'm not going to want to cook. I already know this, so it's going to be a takeout night. I think I had to get a new pen because this pen's acting a little weird today. Okay, takeout night. And then Thursday, I'm actually done work early because I start work at 6 instead of 8. So we're going to have ribs and fries. I do not know where I was going with that letter, but that's okay. Ribs, fries, and some type of vegetable. What's Friday? Friday, everybody works. Friday, I have a normal schedule, but by the looks of it, my husband has a weird schedule. So I'll really just be cooking for 3 people because he probably won't be eating when he comes home. And there's probably going to be leftovers from this night. Let's go back and plan Tuesday. Oh, I know what I can make this day. Ribs. And I have lots of, I have lots of chicken. So we're going to do chicken and salad on Tuesday because my husband has ball, which means I'll be coming home, making dinner, doing a little bit of cleanup, and then leaving. And then we'll be leaving for ball. And okay, so that's that. That's this. That's this. This is ball weekend, so I don't know what is going on with my husband. But we're gonna do, you know what, I know I have pork chops, so we're gonna do pork chops because I'm home. Pork chops, some rice. I always do rice and pork chops. You know how everyone always has those things that you cook together? What's yours? Mine is pork chops and rice. And then of course some type of veggie. It's just this night. What am I gonna do? Maybe a chicken of some kind? No, after work I don't. I just don't know. What should I do? I'm gonna do sandwiches. I'd be cool with that. Sandwich night. I'm cool with that. Okay, and like I said, I'm not planning tomorrow because I'm not gonna be the one cooking. My husband's gonna be cooking so he can kind of sort it out. Okay, I think that's gonna work. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and next Sunday, you're gonna find out what our meal plan is going to be, because it's actually gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be a little different. Okay, so until next Sunday, I will talk to you guys again soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.